How to select right grind for your coffee. Open the upper chamber. Select the coarse grind setting you want by turning the grinder ring clockwise. Add your coffee beans into the hopper. Then put the handle back on top and turn it clockwise. Grind slowly as coffee ground gather in lower chamber. Rotate the wheel to medium grind. And make a perfect pour-over coffee. Rotate the wheel further for finer grind for a perfect espresso. Make your coarse grind, medium grind and fine grind coffee in an instant.